that time of year for the once a year clean out of the chicken pen. And as you see here, all those wood chips broken down to one big old glob of chicken manure. I'm tossing it on top of these fall leaves, and I mulch them up with my mower, and then I use this as a mulch in the garden next year, and it'll be a mulch and a fertilizer. See the red winter wheat planted probably a little early, but hopefully it survives the winter. And we've got a nice perennial flower bed going here on the outside of the brick. That berry vetch has just sprouted up. Those two rows, and we've got garlic and onions in this group, and winter rye and a few carrots over there, and then the brassica crops that I'm going to try to overwinter.